Use this one word. This one word will change everything. It will turn you into a massive manifester. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, don't you just love it when you look up in the sky and you see a beautiful eagle flying overhead? Doesn't it just give you goosebumps? Isn't it a sign that you are soaring to greater heights in your life? Well, I'm going to share with you one word that if you will use will change your life. Now, I don't have a script today. I just feel that this is so important that I need to share it with you. And if you will use this word, and I'm going to share with you how I came across this special word that will bring abundance and prosperity, love, happiness, health, vitality into your life. It's absolutely astonishing what this word can do for you. But first, hey, if you're watching us right now and it isn't September 14th, 2019, on September 14th, 2019, we have a beautiful harvest full moon in the night sky. And we will be doing clearing, healing, abundance, prosperity, energy work for you. Whatever your intention is, I'm telling you, it's time for your harvest. It's time to claim your reward. It's time to pull in from the universe what is rightfully yours. We'd like you to join us at www.clearingandhealing.com. That's clearingandhealing.com. It's free. Join us. We're going to be broadcasting around the world on the harvest full moon on the worldwide net. It's going to be incredible, but you need to register now. So you only got a little time. I know I didn't give you a lot of notice on this one. I do apologize. Anyway, we love you. It's free. There's no charge. We want to share this energy with you. Now let's get back to this one word. As I talk to you about a word that can substantially change your life, I'd like to share with you a little bit of the story that went behind this one word. So, over the last several years, I've had this tattered notebook sitting by me. And every time I work with a businessman, I will oftentimes, in the conversation, I'll sandwich it in the conversation. I'll say, Joe, you're a successful businessman. Share with me one word that you use in your vocabulary, that you use with your employees, that you use in your business, that you use in your self-talk. A word that has changed your life. And I will write down the word. And so I've collected powerful words from successful business people all over the world. People in all kinds of different business, from law enforcement to auto racing. It's incredible. I've collected these words and I've solidified these words down to one word. In other words, all of these words at some level mean this one word. And I'm convinced, high flyers, we have started doing it quite some time ago, but I'm convinced that if you will use this one word in your affirmations, use this one word in your language, use this one word in your self-talk, use this one word every chance you get, Make it part and parcel of who you are and how you think. And if you want to print up the word and put it in a place where you're going to see it at least once a day. I have my word in my shower. So high flyers, when I go in to take my shower, I'm rub-a-dub-dubbing, scrubbing, but I'm looking at that word. And that word, I'm just breathing in that word. Take a deep breath with me. Now, high flyers, in a few minutes, I'm going to share with you that word. And we're going to talk about that word. And I'm going to guide you using that word. The word that will, I believe, change your life drastically in a huge, monumental way. Now, you're going to have a choice. You're going to hear this word. You're going to hear this word. And you're going to say, that's not a big deal. That's nothing. Nothing special about that. And then you're just going to go on with your life. Or you are going to hear this word. You're going to type it down below. And then you're going to start using it. You're going to write it on a 3x5 card. You're going to carry it in your wallet or your purse. You're going to have it on your iPhone. You're going to have it on your laptop. You're going to put this word deep inside your subconscious mind. You're going to focus on this word as you fall asleep every night for 28 days. Now, in a second, I'm going to give you this word. But just imagine for a moment, one word that if you will apply it to your life, to your intentions, what is it that you desire? A new home? A new car? More money in the bank? Free from debt? A better relationship? A better marriage? Better health? What is it that you desire? This word will help you. Please concentrate right now. Please concentrate right now on your biggest, most precious intention in your life. Is it money, a new car, a new home, a dream vacation, whatever it is? I want you to concentrate on what it is you desire. This is your intention. Now, focus on that intention. I'm going to say one word. Here it is. Increase. The universe is bringing you increase. The universe is bringing you increase in your finances. The universe is bringing you increase in the amount of cash in your wallet. The universe is bringing you increase in the size of your home. The universe is bringing you increase on your relationships with your family or friends or your lover or your wife or your husband. The universe is delivering to you massive, incredible increase. I want you to make that your word. When somebody asks you, define yourself in one word. In one word, define yourself. You could put down a lot of words. You could put down honest, dependable, trustworthy, caring, loving. But I want you to consider this word, because this word applies to all the others. Increase. Now, say it right now. I am increasing the abundance in my life. I am bringing increase into my bank account. I am manifesting increase with each breath I Take a deep breath right now. Fall asleep saying those words. With each breath I take, increase is flowing into my life. With each breath I take, increase is flowing into my relationship. Increase is flowing into my health. Increase is flowing into my bank account. Increase is flowing into my deepest desires. I'm in agreement with you right now on your intentions. I believe in your intentions. I believe in your goals. And I believe that you are now receiving increase. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.